Hello student. Now in this video we will discuss the question number 3B. नमस्ते विद्यार्थी मित्रो. या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण क्वेश्चन नंबर 3B मध्ये कोणत्या प्रकारचे प्रश्न विचारले जातात ते आपण बघणार आहोत. नाव दी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 3B कसा असणार आहे? Attempt any two sub questions from the following. 6 marks. Okay. एकाला 3 मार्क्स असणार आहे. A balloon vendor has 2 red, 3 blue, 4 green balloons. He wants to choose one of them at random to give it to Pranali. What is the probability of the event that Pranali gets red balloon, blue balloon? Okay. Now here the solution. There are 2 red balloons R1, R2, 3 blue balloons B1, B2, B3, 4 green balloons G1, G2, G3, G4. The sample space capital S is equals to R1, R2, B1, B2, B3, G1, G2, G3, G4. N of S is equals to 9. Okay. Let A be the event that the Pranali gets a red balloon. Then A is equals to R1, R2. N of A is 2. P of A is equals to N of A upon N of S. N of A is 2. N of S is 9. And hence P of A is equals to 2 by 9. Therefore, the probability that Pranali gets a red balloon is 2 by 9. Okay. Let B be the event that Pranali gets a blue balloon. Then B is equals to. Kiti blue balloon is the B1, B2, B3. N of B is 3. Again, the formula for probability P of B is equals to N of B upon N of S. Therefore, P of B is equals to 3 by 9. Then you will get 1 by 3 after simplification. Therefore, the probability that Pranali gets blue balloon is 1 by 3. And therefore, these are the answers. Okay. Next question. A die is rolled and a coin is tossed simultaneously. Write the sample spaces and the number of sample points N of S. Also write the event A and B in the set form and their number of sample points according to the given condition. What is the first condition? Condition for the event A to get head or tail on the coin and a number divisible by 3 on the upper face of die. Second, condition of event B to get a number on the upper face of die greater than 7 and a head on the coin. Now here, if a die is rolled and a coin is tossed simultaneously, the sample space. मग कसं असणार आहे H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. आता टेलसाठी T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6. N of S is 12. A condition for event A to get a head or a tail on the coin and a number divisible by 3 on the upper face of the die. Okay. Number कसा पाहिजे? It's a divisible by 3. Head or tail. But it must be divisible by 3. मग कुठे असेल ते इव्हेंट कसा असेल H3 divisible by 3, H6 divisible by 3 and next T3, T6. Therefore N of A is 4. Next condition for event B to get a number on the upper face of the die greater than 7 and a head on the coin. Therefore here there is no number 7. Okay. And hence the B is equals to empty set. N of B is 0. Okay. Now the next. The denominator of a fraction is a 4 more than twice its numerator. Denominator becomes 12 times the numerator if the numerator and the denominator are reduced by 6. Find the fraction. Let the numerator of the fraction be x and its denominator y. Twice the numerator is a 2x. From the first condition, y is equals to 2x plus 4. Okay. What is here? The denominator of a fraction is a 4 more than twice its numerator. Therefore, y is equals to 2x plus 4. Next equation can be written as 2x minus y is equals to minus 4. Okay, this is the first equation. What about the second condition? Second condition is denominator becomes 12 times the numerator if both numerator and the denominator are reduced by 6. Now you see this. If 6 is subtracted both from the numerator and the denominator, then the numerator becomes x minus 6 and the denominator becomes y minus 6. From the second condition, y minus 6 is equals to 12 in bracket x minus 6. Therefore, y minus 6 is equals to 12x minus 72. And again, it can be written as 12x minus 72 is equals to y minus 6. And after simplification, means the first x term, then y, then the constant, equal to sign, then constant. Therefore, the second equation is that 12x minus y is equals to 66. The second equation. Subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. Now here the equation 2, this is the equation number 1. Now the subtraction, या ठिकाणी आपण sign change करणार. Now this is plus, minus, this will become plus, and here it's a plus. Therefore, 12x minus 2x, you will get 10x. Okay, 66 plus 4, then you will get here 70. Therefore, x is equals to, x is equals to 70 upon 10, then you will get x is equals to 7. Okay, substituting x is equals to 7 in equation 1. What is the equation 1? The equation 1 is 2x minus y is equals to minus 4. Okay, if you substitute x is equals to 7 here, then you will get 2 into 7 minus y is equals to minus 4. Therefore, minus y is equals to minus 4 minus 14, and that is equals to minus 18. Okay, minus y is equals to minus 18. It means that y is equals to 18, and therefore the numerator is a 7 and the denominator is 18. Therefore, the required fraction is 7 upon 18. Okay. Next example. Solve the following simultaneous equation using Cramer's rule. Okay. 4m plus 6n is equals to 54. 3m plus 2n is equals to 28. Now comparing this equation with what is that standard equation? A1m plus B1n is equals to C1. And what about the second one? A2m plus B2n is equals to C2. Therefore, the value of A1 is 4, B1 is 6, C1 is 54. Value of A2 is 3, B2 is 2, C2 is 28. Now the determinant A1, A2, B1, A1, A2, B1, B2. Okay. Substitute the values. ये value substitute करना 4, 3, 6 and 2. 4 into 2, 8. 3 into 6, 18. 8 minus 18, you will get minus 10. Therefore, D is equals to minus 10. Here the value of D, minus 10. Next, DM. Now replace this A1, A2 by C1, C2. Keep the B1, B2 as it is. Therefore, C1, C2 is 54 and 28. Okay. And B1, B2, that is a 6 and 2 as it is. 54 into 2 minus 28 into 6. Then you 54 into 2, you will get 108. 6 into 28, you will get 168 minus 60. And hence DM is minus 60. What about the DN? Keep A1, A2 as it is. Okay. And therefore 4 and 3 is also C1, C2 means what? 54 and 28. 4 into 28. Okay. 112. 54 into 3, 162. Then you will get minus 50. This is the DN. Now by the Cramer's rule, M is equals to dm upon d, minus 60 upon minus 10. Therefore, you will get here 6. N is equals to dn upon d, minus 50 upon minus 10. You will get here 5. And hence, the solution is 6, 5 is the solution. Now the next question. Solve the following simultaneous equation. Graphically solve करना है. X plus y is equals to 7. X minus y is equals to minus 1. Now x plus y is equals to 7 can be written as y is equals to 7 minus x. When x is equals to 1, y is 6. When x is equals to 2, y is 5. When x is equals to 3, y is 4. When x is equals to 4, y is 3. And hence these are the points. 1, 6, 2, 5, 3, 4, 4, 3. Okay. Next equation, x minus y is equals to minus 1. It can be written as y is equals to x plus 1. And therefore, the values. When x is equals to minus 1, substitute here x is equals to minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1, y is 0. When x is equals to 1, 1 plus 1, you will get 2. When x is equals to 2, 2 plus 1, 3. When x is equals to 4, 4 plus 1, 5. These are the points. Okay. Now plot these points on the graph. Okay. Now here, graph draw karta na. This is the x-axis and y-axis. Okay. Scale 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit on the both axes. Now the first line x plus y is equals to 7. What is the first point? 1, 6. Here is a first point is a 1. This is the first point. Next, second point 2, 5. This is the second point 2, 5. And the next is a 3, 4. This is the 3, 4. Next is a 4, 3. It's a 4, 3. This is the first line. What about the second line? The joint corner minus 1 and the 0. X is minus 1, y is 0. It is on the x-axis or another. Next 1, 2. X is 1, y is 2. X is 1, y is 2. Okay. Next 2, 3. Okay. X is 2 and y is 3. X is 2 and y is 3. 4, 5. This is the 4, 5. And the intersection of these two lines is a 3, 4. Okay, therefore the solution of the given two simultaneous equation by graphical method is 3, 4. Okay, therefore the coordinate of the point of intersection are 3 and 4. The solution of the given simultaneous equation x is equals to 3, y is equals to 4. Okay, now again we solve the simultaneous equation x plus y is equals to 2, x minus y is equals to 4 by graphically. Again x plus y is equals to 2, y is equals to 2 minus x and the points. If we substitute x is equals to minus 2, there is a substitute kela. Then what you will get? That is equals to 2 minus in bracket minus 2. Therefore you will get y is equals to 4. When x is equals to 0, y is 2. When x is equals to 2, 2 minus 2, you will get 0. When x is equals to 4, 2 minus 4, you will get minus 2. And hence these are the point. Now the second equation guy. X minus y is equals to 4. It means that minus y is equals to 4 minus x. Y is equals to 4 minus x. Again the points. First, if we substitute x is equals to 0, y is minus 4. X is equals to 1. 1 minus 4 means what? You will get minus 3. X is equals to 2. 2 minus 4. You will get minus 2. X is equals to 3. 3 minus 4. You will get minus 1. These are the points. Now we'll plot this point on the graph. Okay. Now the first equation, minus 2 and the 4. First point is a minus 2 and the 4. This is the first. Next point, 0, 2. Okay. It is on the y-axis for the another point. This is the 0, 2 and the 2, 0. Okay. It is on the x-axis. Next, 4 minus 2. X is 4 and y is minus 2. And draw this. Join all these points. And this is the line of the equation x plus y is equals to 2. The second point plot करना है यामध्ये. Okay. These points are 0 minus 4. X 0 है, y minus 4 है. Negative y axis means this is the point, required point. Next 1 minus 3. X is 1. Y is a minus 3. Again in the fourth quadrant. Okay. This is the fourth quadrant. 2 minus 2. again fourth quadrant. This is the okay. Next 3 minus 1 is again fourth quadrant. It's nothing but the point of intersection. Now these two lines intersect at the point 3 minus 1. Okay, and therefore the coordinates of the point of intersections are 3 minus 1. आणि शेवटी answer लिहिना the solution of the given simultaneous equation is x is equals to 3, y is equals to minus 1. Okay, now the next question. Solve the simultaneous equation using again graphical method. सगळं ग्राफचे क्वेश्चन्स या ठिकाणी इथे घेतलेले आहेत. x plus 3y is equals to 7. म्हणजे क्वेश्चन नंबर 3b मध्ये ग्राफ हा येतच असतो. x plus 3y is equals to 7 to x plus y is equals to minus 1. Now the first equation, x plus 3y is equals to 7 can be written as 3y is equals to 7 minus x. Therefore y is equals to 7 minus x upon 3. आता first, what is the value of x? x किती घेतला तर minus 2. If we take x is equals to minus 2, then what about the y? Y is equals to 7 minus 2. Minus minus will become plus. This divided by 3. Okay, 7 plus 2, you will get 9. 9 upon 3. Okay, therefore y is equals to 3. When x is equals to 1, okay, y is equals to 7 minus 1 upon 3. You will get 6 upon 3. Then y is equals to 2. When x is equals to 4, 7 minus 4. Okay, y is equals to 7 minus 4 upon 3. You will get 3 upon 3. Therefore, y is equals to 1. Therefore, these are the points minus 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 1. What about the second equation? 2x plus y is equals to minus 1. Therefore, y is equals to minus 1 minus 2x. Okay. Now substitute first. X is 0. इथे जर x 0 टाकला हा काय होणार इथे y is equals to minus 1. If we substitute x is equals to 1, if you substitute here x is equals to, if we substitute x is equals to 1, then you will get minus 1 minus 2 into 1. What you will get? Minus 1 and minus 2. That is a minus 3. Okay. Next, x is equals to 2. 2 into 2, 4. That is a minus 4, minus 1, minus 5. Therefore, the point is 2 minus 5. Okay. And therefore, now we'll plot. आपण हे point आता graph plot करणार आहोत. Minus 2, 3. First point. Minus 2 and 3. This is the first point. Second, 1, 2. This is the second point. 1, 2. Next, 4, 1. Okay. And this is the 4, 1. Therefore, these are the points. If you join this, then you will get the line of the equation. X plus 3y is equals to 7. For the second line, 0 minus 1. X is 0, y is minus 1. It is on the negative y-axis. Next, 1 minus 3. Again in the fourth quadrant, x is 1, y is a minus 3. Next, 2 minus 5. Again in the fourth quadrant, this here. And join all these points. Their point of intersection is a minus 2, 3. And hence, the solution of this simultaneous equation is a, what is the solution? Minus 2 and 3. This is the solution by the graphical method. Now we'll take the next question. Two angles are complementary. If the measure of one angle is more by 50 than the other, then find the measures of each angle. Okay. Two angles are complementary. Suppose the measure of one angle is x degree, measure of other angle is y degree, x is greater than y. Therefore, from the given condition, x is equals to y plus 50. Okay. Therefore, x minus y is equals to 50. This is the equation number 1. Sum of the two complementary angle is 90. Therefore, x plus y is equals to 90. This is equation number 2. Adding these two equations, तर आपण हे दोन्ही equation add केले, then what you will get after the addition? This y will get cancelled. X plus x to x, 50 plus 90, you will get 140. Therefore, x is equals to 140 upon 2, x is equals to 70. Substituting x is equals to 70 in equation 2. This is the equation 2, that is 70 plus y is equals to 90, and therefore y is equals to 90 minus 70, you will get y is equals to 20. Therefore, the measures of complementary angles are 70 degree and 20 degree. Easy question above respectively. Next question. Solve the simultaneous equation 4x plus 3y minus 4 is equals to 0 and 6x is equals to 8 minus 5y by using the Cramer's rule. Okay. Writing the given equation in the form ax plus by is equals to c. First equation is as it, that is a 4x plus 3y is equals to 4. Here a1 is 4, b1 is 3, c1 is 4. 6x plus 5y is equals to 8. Then you will get a2 is 6, b2 is 5, c2 is 8. What about the determinant a1, a2, b1, b2? That is a first is a 4, 6, then 3 and 5. Solve करना तो 4 into 5, 20 minus 3 into 6, 18. 20 minus 18, you will get here 2. Next, आपल्याला dx find out करायचं आहे. Replace this a1, a2 by c1, c2. What is the c1? 4 and 8, and here 3 and 5. Next simplification, 4 into 5, 20, minus 3 into 8, okay, 24. 20 minus 24, you will get here minus 4, dx is minus 4. dy, a1, a2, c1, c2, okay. My a1, a2 as it is, 4, 6 is as it is, then the 4 and 8, c1, c2 ki the 4 and 8. 4 into 8, you will get 32. 6 into 4, 24. 32 minus 24, you will get 8. Now the Cramer's rule, x is equals to dx upon d is equals to minus 4. dx is minus 4, and d is 2. d ची value किती? The 2 आहे. Therefore minus 4 upon 2, and dy is 8 upon 2. Minus 4 upon 2, you will get minus 2. 8 upon 2, you will get 4. And therefore the solution xy is equals to minus 2, 4. This is the solution of the given simultaneous equation. Okay. Now the next question. Sum of the two numbers is 88. If the greater number is divided by the smaller, the quotient is 5 and the remainder is 10. Find the numbers. Solution. Let the greater number be x, smaller number be y. From the first condition, त्या दोघांची टोटल किती आहे? 88. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 to 3 पर्यंत सर्व क्वेश्चन्स हे टेक्स्टबुक मधलेच विचारले जातात. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 and 5 हे टेक्स्टबुकच्या बाहेरचे विचारले जातात, परंतु ते बेसिक कन्सेप्ट पुस्तकातलाच असतो त्यामध्ये. ओके. नाउ फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट कंडिशन x plus y is equals to 88, this is the first equation. From the second condition, what is that? Dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay. He says that if the greater number is divided by the smaller, quotient is 5, remainder is 10. What is the greater number? The greater number is x. X is equals to divisor into quotient, y into 5 plus 10. Therefore, you will get the equation x is equals to 5y plus 10, x minus 5y is equals to 10. This is equation number 2. Subtracting 2 from 1, therefore this is 1, this is 2. Now we'll take the subtraction. Minus karna ite. X sign plus it will become minus. This is the minus. So plus and again minus 10. Plus x and minus x get cancelled. Y plus 5y, you will get here 6y. Okay. 88 minus 10, you will get here 78. And therefore 6y is equals to 78, and therefore y is equals to 13. Y ची value किती आली? 13. Substituting y is equals to 13 in equation number 1. Okay. What is the equation number 1? X plus y is equals to 88. Substitute y 13. Therefore x plus 13 is equals to 88. X is equals to 88 minus 13. You will get 75. Therefore the required numbers are 75 and 30. Easy question again. Question number 1 to 3 पर्यंत सर्व टेक्स्टबुक मध्येच विचारले जातात. Okay. Now the next question. A milk center sold milk to 50 customers. The table below gives the number of customers and the milk they purchased. Find the mean of the milk sold using direct method. Milk sold in liters, 1 to 2 liters, number of customers 17, 2 to 3, 13, 3 to 4, 10, 4 to 5, 7, 5 to 6, 3. Okay. Now find out the table, make the table. First class, milk sold in liters, then class mark, frequency, class mark into frequency. आपल्याला क्लास इथे त्याने दिलेत 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5 and 5 to 6. क्लास मार्क आपल्याला तयार करायचे असतात. That is 1 plus 2 means what 3. 3 upon 2 you will get 1.5. 2 plus 3 5. 5 upon 2 is 2.5. 3 plus 4 7. 7 upon 2 3.5. इथे पाहिलं तर डिफरन्स किती आहे 1 आलेला आहे. 3.5 4.5 5.5. ओके. Frequency as it is linear table मधली जशी तशी. Write down here frequency, then the multiplication 1.5 into 17 you will get 25.5, 2.5 into 13 32.5, 3.5 into 10 35, 4.5 into 7 31.5, 5.5 into 3 16.5 in this way. Next find out their summation. याची total करणार. Frequency summation fi is equals to 50, summation xi fi is equals to 141. Now we'll apply the formula for the mean. What is the mean? X bar is equals to summation xi fi upon summation fi, that is 141 upon 50. A divide killer, then you will get x bar is equals to 2.82. Therefore, the mean of the milk sold is a 2.82 liters. Okay. Now the next question. In an AP, the sum of 3 consecutive terms is a 27 and their product is 504. Find the terms. Assume that the 3 consecutive terms in AP are A minus D, A plus, D. Okay. These are the 3 consecutive terms. Let the 3 consecutive terms in AP are A minus D, A and A plus D. From the first condition, okay. Sum of 3 consecutive terms means what? A minus D plus A plus A plus D is equals to 27. If we add this, that is a minus D plus D get cancelled. A plus A plus A, you will get 3A is equals to 27. A is equals to 9. And from the second condition, their product A minus D into A plus D is equals to 504. Substitute A as 9. म्हणजेच किती मिळणार 9 minus D into 9 into 9 plus D is equals to 504. Therefore, 9 minus D into 9 plus D, you will get 504 upon 9. Okay. हा 9 इकडे divide ला येणार. If we divide it, then you will get 56. Okay. Therefore, after substituting the value of A as 9, here 81. This is 9 minus D, 9 plus D. याचा दोघांचा product किती येणार? A minus B into A plus D, you will get A square minus B square is equals to 56. Therefore, here 81, हा D square इकडे shift करणार 56. Left ला आणणार. 81 minus 56, that is equals to D square. And therefore, D square is equals to 25, taking the square root. D is equals to plus or minus 5. When D is equals to 5, then the 3 consecutive numbers are. Okay. A किती मिळालं आपल्याला 9. 9 minus 5, you will get 4. A is 9. A plus D, that is a 9 plus 5. It's a 40. D is equals to minus 5. The 3 consecutive terms are A minus D, 9 minus in bracket minus 5. You will get 14. A 9 किती मिळाला? The 9. Next, A plus D, that is a 9 plus in bracket minus 5. 9 minus 5, you will get here 4. And hence the 3 consecutive numbers या प्रकारे. First is 4, 9, 14 or 14, 9, 4 in this. Okay. तुम्ही बघू शकता हे पुन्हा एकदा. Now the next question. The 18th and the 39th term of an AP are 52 and 115 respectively. Find the values of the first term and the common difference. Okay. Now the solution. The first term of AP be A, common difference is D. Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. T18 is equals to A plus 18 minus 1 into D. But we know the 18th term, it is a 52, is equals to, this is A, 18 minus 1, 17D. T39, A plus 39 minus 1 into D. It's 115 is equals to A plus 38. Okay. Now, these are the two equations. This is the equation number 1 and equation number 2. Subtracting equation 1 from the equation 2. Okay. A plus 38D is equals to 115. A plus 17D is equals to 52. It is upon a subtraction केला. Then what you will get here? Okay. Minus anything करना. Again here minus and minus. Okay. Plus a minus a get cancelled. 38D minus 70D, you will get 21D. 115 minus 52, you will get here 63. Therefore, D is equals to 63 upon 21. Therefore, this division is very simple. D is equals to 3. Substituting D is equals to 3 in equation 1. Okay. What is the equation 1? This is the equation number 1. 52 is equals to A plus 17D. Therefore, 52 is equals to A plus 17D. D is 3. 17 into 3 किती आले तर 50 होणार आहे. Therefore, A is equals to 52 minus 51. A is equals to 1. And hence, the value of A is 1 and the value of D is 3. Easy example इथे. Okay. Tn चा फक्त फॉर्म्युला या ठिकाणी अप्लाय करायचा आहे. We have to apply the formula for the Tn only. Now the next. There is an auditorium with 27 rows of seats. There are 20 seats in the first row, 22 seats in the second row, 24 seats in third row, and so on. Find how many total seats are there in auditorium. 20 seats in first row, 22 seats in second row, 24 seats in third row. Therefore, the sequence is 20, 22, 24 is a sequence. The number of the seats increasing in consecutive rows are 24 minus 22, 22 minus 20, that's you will get 2. Okay. D is equals to 2. 20, 22, 24 is an AP. A is 20. We have to find the total seats in auditorium. That is, we have to find S27. Apply the formula. Sn is equals to n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into D. S27. N is replaced by 27 upon 2 in bracket 2 into 20 plus 27 minus 1 into 2. Okay. After simplification, 27 upon 2, 2 into 20, you will get 40. 27 minus 1, 26 into 2. And again the simplification, 40 plus 26 into 2, 52. 40 plus 52, you will get 92. Again 27 upon 2. Means what? Here, this is after simplification, here, 2 ones are 2 4 z and 2 6 12. That is 46 into 27, you will get 1242. Therefore, there are 1242 seats in auditorium. Okay. Easy question. This question is also from the textbook. Now the next, the sum of the present ages of Manish and Savita is 31 years. Manish's age 3 years ago was 4 times the age of Savita at that time. Find their present ages. Let the Manish's present age be X years, Savita's present age be Y years. From the first condition, X plus Y is equals to 31. 3 years ago, Manish's age is X minus 3 years. Savita's age was Y minus 3 years. And from the second condition, that is the second condition, 3 years ago, Manish's age was 4 times, that is Y minus 3. And after simplification, you will get X minus 3 is equals to 4Y minus 12. Therefore, X minus 4Y is equals to minus 12 plus 3. x minus 4y is equals to minus 9. Okay. Subtracting equation 2 from the equation 1. This is the equation number 1. Okay. And this is the equation number 2. Subtracting 2 from the 1, we'll write here x plus y is equals to 31, and this is the second equation. X minus 4y is equals to minus 9. इथे subtraction करना, sign change करना, इथे x minus plus, it will become minus, this minus will become plus, again this minus will become plus. Plus x minus x get cancelled. X plus 4y, you will get 5y. Okay. Minus plus 31 plus 9, you will get here 40. Therefore, y is equals to 40 upon 5. Here y is equals to 40 upon 5. Okay, y is equals to 8. Okay. And therefore, substituting y is equals to 8 in equation number 1, which is the x plus y. Okay, the equation number 1, x plus y is equals to 31. Substitute here x is equals to 8. Therefore, x is equals to 31 minus 8. You will get x is equals to 31. And hence, the present ages of Manish and Savita are 23 and 8 years respectively. Next question. Solve the quadratic equation x square plus 10x plus 2 using formula. Now we have x square plus 10x plus 2 comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Here a is 1, b is 10, c is 2. Find out the value of b square minus 4 is. B is 10 square minus 4 into 1 into 2. Therefore, you will get 100 minus 8, 92. Okay, b square minus 4ac. Formula का है तो x is equals to minus b plus or minus in root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Substitute the value of b is 10 plus or minus in root of 92 upon 2 into 1 minus 10 plus or minus 92 can be split up as 4 into 23. Square root of 4 is 2 minus 10 plus or minus 2 in root of 23. Take 2 as a common. Then after simplification, you will get x is equals to minus 5 plus root of 23 or x is equals to minus 5 minus root of 23. And hence, these are the roots. What are the roots? Minus 5 plus root of 23 or and minus 5 minus root of 23 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Easy quadratic equation is there. Now the next question. A dealer sells a toy for rupees 24 and gains as much percent as the cost price of the toy. Find the cost price of the toy. Okay. जे शोधायचे त्याला x consider करणार. Let the cost price of the toy is x. Gain as much as percent as the cost price of the toy. Therefore, the gain is equals to x percent of x. That is a x upon 100 into x. Means what? X square upon 100. Cost price plus gain is equals to selling price. Therefore, x plus x square upon 100 is equals to 24. Hey, equation इथे तयार होणार. Multiplying the whole equation by again 100, then you will get the 100x. 100 into x square upon 100, 100 get cancelled, you will get x square. 100 into 24, you will get 2400. Okay. And after simplification, write in the standard form, first square term, then x term, then the constant is equals to 0. Okay. Now the product of first and last term is a minus 2400 and the middle term is 100. Therefore, what are the factors? 120 minus 20. Their sum is 100 and their product is a minus 2400. Okay. The factors किती आले? That is a plus 120 and minus 20. Take the common. या दोघातनं common किती येणार? The x is common, minus 20 is common. In bracket you will get x plus 120, x plus 120. Again take the common x plus 120. Then remaining terms are x minus 20. Okay, therefore x plus 20 is equals to 0 or x minus 20 is equals to 0. X is equals to minus 120 or x is equals to 20. But the price cannot be negative. Therefore, x is equals to, okay, price cannot be negative. Therefore, x is equals to minus 20 is not possible. Therefore, x is equals to 20 we consider here, and hence the cost price of the toy is rupees 20. Okay, see this a important. What is that? Gain is as much percent as the cost price. This is the important. That is a gain of x percent of x, means what? X upon 100 into x is equals to x square upon 100. Cost price plus gain is equals to selling price. Now the next example, the sum of a natural number and its reciprocal is 65 upon 8. Find the number. Let the natural number be x, its reciprocal is 1 upon x from the given condition. Number plus its reciprocal 65 upon 8. Simplification. Multiply on both sides by 8x. याला जर 8x multiplied करा, then you will get 8x square. If you multiply here 8x, xx will get cancelled. You will get 8 here. 65 8 upon 8 into 8x. 8 get cancelled. You will get 65x. Okay. And therefore this equation can be written as 8x square minus 65 plus 8 is equals to 0. Okay. Now their factors are very simple. 8 into 8, it's a 64 minus 65. Then what are the factors? Minus 64 minus 1. And therefore 8x square minus 64x minus x plus 8 is equals to 0. From these two, take as 8x as a common. In bracket you will get x minus 8. From these two, take minus 1 as common. In bracket you will get x minus 8. Therefore again take the common x minus 8, x minus 8. The remaining are the 8x minus 1 is equals to 0. Therefore, x minus 8 is equals to 0 or 8x minus 1 is equals to 0. You will get x is equals to 8 or x is equals to 1 upon 8. But the given number is a natural number. Therefore, x is equals to 1 upon 8 is not possible. Therefore, x is equals to 8. And hence, the given natural number is 8. Now, the next example. Solve the quadratic equation 5x square plus 13x plus 8 is equals to 0 using formula. Okay. 5x square plus 13x plus 8 is equals to 0 comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Easy equation I think. What is here? A is equals to 5, b is 13, c is equals to 8. आता b square minus 4ac ची value find out करना. Find out the value of b square minus 4ac. 13 square minus 4 into 5 into 8. 13 square is 169. 4 into 5 into 8, you will get 160. 169 minus 160, you will get here 9. Next, x is equals to minus b plus or minus in root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. The value of b is 13 plus or minus root of 9. Root of 9 is 3. Okay. Therefore, minus 13 plus or minus 3. Take the plus here. That is x is equals to minus 13 plus 3 upon 10, or x is equals to minus 13 minus 3 upon 10. Minus 13 plus 3 minus 10 by 3. 10 by 10 you will get minus 1. Next, minus 16 upon 10 you will get minus, after simplification here 8 and the 5, that is x is equals to minus 8 by 5, and therefore the roots of the quadratic equations is minus 1 minus 8 by 5 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Okay. Next, the sum of the roots of quadratic equation is double their product. Find k. If the equation is x square minus 4kx plus k plus 3 is equals to 0. What is the condition given? Sum of the roots of quadratic equation is double their product. He condition दिले त्याने x square minus 4kx plus k plus 3 is equals to 0. Here a is equals to 1, coefficient of x square. B is equals to minus 4k. C is equals to k plus 3. If alpha and beta are the roots of the equation, alpha plus beta is equals to 2 times alpha into beta. Their sum is equals to 2 times their product. What about the alpha plus beta? Minus b upon a. What is a b? B is a minus in bracket minus 4k upon 1. You will get 4k alpha plus beta. Alpha into beta, c upon a, k plus 3 upon 1. That is a k plus 3. What is the condition given? Their sum is equals to 2 times product. Okay. Therefore, 4k is equals to k plus 3. That is a 4k That is a 4k is equals to 2 times alpha plus beta means what? K plus 3. That's a 2 times करणार means what? 2k plus 6. And therefore 4k is equals to 2k plus 6 असे येणार. Okay. And therefore 4k is equals to 2k plus 6. हे simplification very easy आहे. 4k minus 2k हा 2k left लाणार तो minus होणार. 4k minus 2k you will get that is equals to 6. 4k minus 2k किती आला तर 2k is equals to 6. K is equals to 3. And hence the value of k is 3. Okay, condition important hai. Sum alpha plus beta is equals to 2 times alpha into beta. Okay, formula important hai. Alpha plus beta minus b upon a, alpha into beta c upon a. Now the next question, the sum of the squares of two consecutive even natural number is 724. Find the numbers, consecutive numbers. First, let x and the x plus 2 be the two consecutive even natural numbers. From the condition, they are squares, that is x square plus x plus 2 bracket square is equals to 724. X square plus 4x plus 4 minus 724 is equals to 0. X square plus x square is a 2x square plus 4x. 4 minus 724, you will get minus 720 is equals to 0. Divided by 2, you will get x square plus 2x minus 360 is equals to 0. पुन्हा इथे factors find out करणार. 20 and minus 18. These are the two numbers whose product is minus 360 and त्यांचा difference किती आहे? The 2 आहे. Therefore, x square plus 20x minus 18x minus 360 is equals to 0. From this, take x as common. Then in bracket you will get x plus 20. From these two, take minus 18 as common. You will get in bracket x plus 20. Therefore, in first bracket x plus 20, in second bracket x minus 18. Now next, x plus 20 is equals to 0 or x minus 18 is equals to 0. X is equals to minus 20 or x is equals to 18. Okay. But x is equals to minus 20 is not a natural number, and therefore x is equals to minus 20 is unacceptable, and therefore x is equals to 18. And therefore the numbers are, required numbers are, what is the first number? 18. Second किती असणार? x plus 2 means what? 18 plus 2, that is the 20. Therefore 18 and the 20 are the required numbers. We have considered here the natural numbers, and hence x is equals to minus 20 is not acceptable. Next, a ready-made garment shopkeeper gives 5% discount on a dress of rupees 1000 and charges 5% GST on the remaining amount. What is the purchase price of the dress for the customer? आधी तो सुरुवातीला काय करतो? तर डिस्काउंट देतो आणि नंतर 5% GST apply करतो. Okay. What's the price of that dress? That is 1000. Discount 5% of rupees 1000. 5 by 100 into 1000, and after simplification you will get here 50. Okay, ये दोन zero घेते, 10 into 5 you will get 50. Taxable value, that is a printed price minus discount means what? 1000 minus 50, you will get 950. Now the rate of GST is 5%. GST is equals to 5 upon 100 into 950, and after simplification you will get here हा 0 0 इथला काय होणार तर हे कट होणार 95 into 5. Okay, you will get 475 upon 10, then you will get 47.5. Okay, therefore the purchase price for the customer, okay, हा काय आला तर त्याचा GST आला. Okay, purchase price is a 950 plus 47.5. If you add it, then you will get 997.50. This is the purchase price of for the customer. Okay. Now the next, a shaker brought a laptop with 10% discount on the printed price 50,000. 18% GST was charged on the discounted price. Find the amount of CGST, HGST. What amount did Shankar pay? Okay, 10% discount on 50,000. Discount is equals to 50,000 into 10 upon 100 is equals to 5,000 त्याला discount मिळाला. Therefore, the taxable value of laptop is 50,000 minus 5,000, 45,000. Okay, Rate of GST 18%. Therefore, rate of CGST is 9%. CGST at 9% of the 45,000 is 45,000 into 9 upon 100. पुन्हा हे 2 झिरो इथे काय होतील तर कट होतील. 450 into 9 you will get 4,050. This is the CGST. CGST is equals to HGST. Both are equal, and therefore the CGST is equals to HGST is equals to 4,050. Now the amount paid. त्याने किती amount paid केली? This is the discounted price of laptop 45,000 plus 4,050 plus 4,050, and overall you will get 53,100. This is the amount paid. Okay. Therefore the shaker paid 53,100 for the laptop. Now the next question. If the face value of both the shares is same, then which investment out of the following is more profitable? Company A, dividend is 16%. Market value is rupees 80. Company B, dividend is 20%. Market value 120. Okay. Let the face value of each type of the share be rupees 100. दोघांचा face value same. Let the face value of the each share be 100. Company A, dividend 16%, market value 80. On investing 80 rupees 80 for a share, the dividend is 16. Okay. Therefore, the rate of return is equals to dividend income sum invested into 100. But dividend income kiti? That is 16. Sum invested 80 into 100, and after simplification you will get here. Okay. Here, and 5 4 1s are and 4 4s are 16. 4 into 5 you will get the 20% for the company A. And next for the another company, that is a company B, 20% dividend. Okay. Therefore, on investing rupees 120 for a share, the dividend is rupees 20. Rate of return is equals to dividend income upon sum invested into 100, 20 upon 120. Okay. And the again after the simplification, 21s are and 26 are. Next, 100 upon 6, you will get 16.67%. Okay. In first company A, that is a rate of return is 20%. In second company, the rate of return is 16.67%. Therefore, the investment in company A is more profitable. Okay. Now the next. Srimati Malhotra purchased solar panel for taxable value rupees 85,000. She sold them for rupees 90,000. The rate of GST is 5%. Find the ITC for Srimati Malhotra. What is the amount of GST payable by her? Okay. Taxable amount. She purchased at the rate of at the value 85% taxable value. Okay. And then the sold 90,000. 85,000 ला तिने purchase केला आणि 90,000 ला sold केला. Now the rate of GST is 5%. Output tax, that is a tax collected at the time of the sale, 5% into 5% of 90,000. That is a 5 by 100 into 90,000. Again the simplification, these two zeros get cancelled. 900 into 5, you will get 4,500. Input tax. Tax paid at the time of purchase, 5% of rupees 85,000, 5 upon 100 into 85,000. Again these two zeros get cancelled. 850 into 5, you will get 4,250. This is ITC, means what? Input tax. GST payable किती असणार? That is the output tax minus ITC. 4,500 minus 4,250. What is the rupees GST payable? It is a 250. Therefore, the ITC for the Srimati Malhotra is rupees 4,250. Amount of GST payable by the Srimati Malhotra is rupees 250. Okay. Easy question ಇದು ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ मतलब question ಇದೆ. Next, time in hours. Okay, number of student. That is a 0 to 2, 10, 2 to 4, 16, 4 to 6, 20, 6 to 8, 4. Find the mean time spent by the student for their studies. Okay, we want to find out the mean student. We want to find out mean. Okay, now the first time in hours, it means it's a class 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8. Class mark 0 plus 2 upon 2, you will get 1. 2 plus 4 upon 2, 6 upon 2, 3, next 5, next 7. Frequency 10, 16, 20, and the last is 4. Their multiplication XIFI 1 into 10, 10, 3 into 16, 48, 5 into 20, 100, 7 into 4, 28. Their summation XIFI 186, summation FI is 50. What is the formula for mean? X bar is equals to summation XIFI upon summation FI. 186 upon 50, and after simplification, you will get here 3.72. Therefore, the mean time spent by the student for the studies is 3.72 hours. हे hours प्रत्येकदा गरजेचं असतं. Okay. Therefore, the mean formula easy. This is the direct method. Okay. Easy question. Now the next. The area under different crops in a certain village is given below. Draw a pie diagram showing the information. First is crop. Area in hectares. Jowar 40, wheat 60, sugarcane 50, vegetables 30. Okay. Now the solution. The total area 40 plus 60 plus 50 plus 30 is equals to 180. The area is converted into component parts of 360 in the following table. Now see this first crop, jowar, area 40. Measure of the central angle, that is a 40 upon 180. Ha total is सर्वांचा into 360. You will get here. Okay. Every time you multiply this number by 2, 40 into 2, you will get 80. Next again 60 into 2, 120, and 50 into 2, 100, 30 into 2, 60, and in this way. Okay. On the basis of the table, the pie diagram is as follows. This is for the jowar, wheat, sugarcane, and the vegetable. You can draw this type of the pie diagram. Now the next. Solve the simultaneous equation again by the graphically. 3x minus y is equals to 2 and 2x minus y is equals to 3. Okay. First equation, 3x minus y is equals to 2. That is a y is equals to 3x minus 2. Now the values of x. If we substitute x is equals to minus 1, 3 into minus 1 minus 3 minus 2 minus 5. X is equals to 0. Then y is equals to minus 2. X is equals to 1. 3 into 1, 3. 3 minus 2. You will get 1. X is equals to 2. 3 into 2, 6. 6 minus 2 is a 4. And what are the points? Minus 1, minus 5. 0, minus 2, 1, 1, 2, 4. Okay. Next, 2x minus y is equals to 3. Y is equals to 2x minus 3. Again the points. Put x is equals to 0. Y is minus 3. X is equals to 2. 2 into 2, 4. 4 minus 3, 1. X is equals to 3. 2 into 3, 6. 6 minus 3, you will get 3. Put x is equals to 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 minus 3, you will get 5. These are the required points. Now the scale on the both axes is 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. Now we'll plot the points. First is minus 1, minus 5. It is in the third quadrant, minus 1 and minus 5. This is the first point. Next is 0 minus 2, that is x is 0, y is a minus 2, okay, and next is a 1 1, okay, this is the 1 1, and what about the last 2 4, this is the point, okay. For the next 0 minus 3, okay, x is 0 and y is a minus 3, this is the point. 2 1, x is 2, y is 1, okay, x is 2, y is 1. 3 3, x is 3, y is 3, and the next 4 5, x is 4 and y is a 5. Their point of intersection is minus 1 and the minus 5, and hence the coordinate of the point of intersection is a minus 1 minus 5. The solution of the given simultaneous equation is x is equals to minus 1 minus 5. Okay, now the next question. Time allotted for the preparation of an examination by student is shown in the table. Draw a histogram to show the information. Time in minutes. What is the first? 60 to 80. Number of the student 14. 80 to 100 20. 100 to 120 24. 120 to 140 22. 140 to 160 60. Okay. Now draw the histogram. आता ग्राफ कुठनं स्टार्ट होतात तर 60 to 80. Therefore we have to draw the crank first. Crank इथे ड्रॉ करणार. Now the first of all scale on the x-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 20 minutes, and the scale on the y-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 2 student. Okay, 60 to 80. First 60 to 80, 14 students are there. Okay, 60 to 80, 14 student. Next 80 to 100, 20 student. 80 to 100, 20 student. 100 to 120, then you will get 24 student. 120 to 140, 22 student, and 140 to 160, 16 students. And in this way you can draw this histogram. Okay, the scale लेना तुम्हें. On the x-axis time in minutes, on the y-axis number of students. Okay, next the following table shows the demand for a sweet and the number of the customer. Find the mode of the demand of the sweet. Sweet weight of the sweet in gram 0 to 250 10. Number of the customer 250 to 560, 500 to 750 25, 750 to 1000 25, 1000 to 1250 50. Okay. Now we will find out the mode. What is the maximum here? This is the maximum value. Okay, and it is treated as F1. This is the F0, and this is the F2. Okay. Now here the maximum frequency is 60, is in the class 250 to 500. In the class 250 to 500. Therefore, L is 250, F1 is 60, F0 is 10, F2 is 25, and H is 250. Therefore, mode is equals to L plus in bracket F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Substitute the value of L 250 plus F1 is 60 minus 10 upon 2 into 60 minus 10 minus 25 into 250. Okay, 250 plus 60 minus 10, you will get 50. 2 into 60, 120. Minus 10 minus 25 minus 35 into 250. 50 upon 85 into 250. And after simplification, you will get here, that is a 50 upon 85. 50 upon 85, you will get 0.588 into 250. Then you will get 147. हे तुम्ही calculations करू शकताय. That is a 250 plus 147. You will get 397. Therefore, the mode of the demand of the sweet is 397 grams. Aditi, I will repeat again. Aditi invested rupees 50,118 on shares of face value rupees 100 when the market value was rupees 50, brokerage at 0.2%, GST on brokerage at 18%. Okay. Let us find the investment required for one share. Market value is rupees 50. Brokerage at 0.2% on rupees 50 is 50 into 0.2 upon 100. किती येणार ते? Rupees 0.1. Okay. GST on brokerage. It's 18%. Therefore, rupees 0.10 into 18 upon 100. You will get rupees 0.018. Investment for one share 50 plus 0.10 plus 0.018. You will get 50.118. Therefore, investment by Aditi is rupees 50,180. The number of the shares purchased by the Aditi is 50,180 upon 50.118, and that's nothing but the 1000. Therefore, Aditi purchased 1000 shares. Okay. Calculations या ठिकाणी फक्त टफ आहे, बाकी easy problems आहे तो. And in this way, here we have completed the question number 3A. Now in my next video, I will cover the question number 4, okay, which are the challenging question in the question paper. Now we'll see in the next video. Till then, goodbye.